Welcome back, students. Today we'll be discussing common errors articles the. You must have observed that while filling the blanks, when we are asked to do the fill in the blanks using articles, we commit simple error, a very common errors. So here I am discussing about article the errors, and in our last class we discussed about common errors related to article A and N. So today we'll be discussing this article the. Alright, so let us discuss in detail. We need to see that the can be used for singular, plural, and for countable, uncountable nouns. That means in the article A and the, they are used with countable nouns only, right? And not with the uncountable noun. But that we have to remember. A and an, A and an. These two determiners, or we can say the articles, these are used with countable noun, countable only, right? Countable. But the can be used with countable as well as uncountable noun. We can use with both of the nouns and with singular as well as plural, right? And when we are talking about something specific, not general, the is used to specify something particular. That means we do not use the with a general sense, right? So, for an example, if I say I love pasta, this is a sentence, and the second sentence is I love the pasta at that restaurant. So, if you see the difference in the first sentence, I love pasta, we are talking about the pasta generally. Here we are talking about pasta generally, but I love the pasta at the restaurant. Like, I mean, I love the pasta which is available at a restaurant. And here I am talking about a particular pasta that is available at restaurant. And that is why this the has been used. So here the has not used and here the has used. It is just because we are talking about some specific pasta. Similarly, let us see the other example. That store sells furniture. So that store sells furniture. That means it is a general statement that there is a store which sells furniture. We are not talking about some specific furniture. But here in this sentence, the furniture in my living room is all new. So that means here I am talking about the particular furniture which is available in my living room. So that is why here the has been used. So we need to see that the is used only with the specific thing. Okay. A and N, they are used with the countable nouns, and the is used with the specific thing, and it can be used with the singular thing or the plural or countable or uncountable. So here we need to see whether it is something is specific there or it is general. If it is general, we will not use the, but if it is specific, the will be used, right? Move to some more examples. Vegetables are good for you. So here we are talking about general vegetables. So in the next sentence, the vegetables at the market. That means the vegetables which are available at the market. So here I am talking about that vegetable which is available at market. So that is why that means specific vegetables I am talking about. So that is why the has been used here, right? Not with the in the earlier sentence. Similarly, I need advice. It is general advice I want. I mean here in the next sentence, the advice you gave me. Here I am talking about that advice, a particular advice that you gave me. So that is why here the has been used. So here the advice is specific. Okay. So I hope you have understood that with the journal now we do not use but with a specific we use the. Next is do not use the for proper nouns. Like what kind of proper noun? Usually you must have heard the is used with a proper noun. But here are some specific proper nouns with which the is never used. This is not used with some specific proper noun, like with the name of the continent, with the name of the countries, with the name of the states, cities, and streets. We never use, do not use the. We are traveling around Asia. Asia is a continent, so we have not used the, because with the continents the is not used. I would like to visit Russia. Russia is a country, so here again the is not used. State. Paris is my favorite city in Europe. The Paris is the state of Europe, so here again the is not used. So with the state, with the country, with the continent, and with the city also. Like, I have you ever been to California? It's a city. And they have on Rosewood Avenue. Rosewood Avenue is a street. So again, it is not used. So the is not used with some is proper noun. Usually we say that the is used with a proper noun, but the is never used with a proper noun such as continent's name, country's name, state's name, city's name, and streets, right? But here are certain exceptions. Few with a few exceptions, the is written, like when we are supposed to write United States, the is used. These are the exceptions. Okay, these are the exceptions. And कुछ में होता है तो उसमें हम इस तरह से the लिखते हैं. Like United Kingdom के लिए भी we use the. With the Philippines we use the. With the Czech Republic, with the Central African Republic, the Marshall Island. So here are certain proper nouns, the name of the continent or the city, or some I mean countries where we have used the, but these are some limited kind of thing, so we use the here only. Otherwise usually we do not use the with countries, street, and cities. Now with the name of the companies and the university. Usually what do? We always say that the proper noun, with the proper noun the is used, but with the name of the company and with the name of the university, the is not used. It is not used. Like Samsung is a company, so my uncle works at Samsung. Simple, we have to write the name of the company. Microsoft reported high profits. She graduated from Harvard. New York University is very large. So with the name of the universities and with the name of the companies, the is not used. But again, there is some exceptions. Like if the university's name begins with university, remember, if the name of the university starts with the university, like the University of Kerala, here the university, the Kerala University, the name of the Kerala University is University of Kerala. So if it is starting with university, then the is used, right? The University of Pennsylvania. So here again, university is starting with the name university. So that is why the is used here, right? The University of Miami. So here again, the is used because the name of the university starts with university. So that means the the University of Delhi, the will be there, right? If I say CCS University, CCS University, we are not supposed to write the CCS. Okay. Next, languages and holidays. When we talk about languages and holidays, again the is not used. But yes, they are a proper noun, but still they are not used. Like Spanish is a language, we never use. Italian, no, I never use. So with the languages, the Hindi, the English, we never use the with the languages name. So similarly, the holidays. If we have some holiday, uh, then we never use the. Remember, the is usually used with proper nouns, but there are some specifications where they are never used. With other places, this is sometimes used. Do not use with individual lakes or mountains. Like if there are certain things when we do not use the, that means individual lakes or the mountains. For example, Mount Everest. It is the highest mountain in the world. We went Ceylon on Lake Ontario. So this is how the is not never used. use the. Here what we have to do, we earlier we discussed where we are not supposed to use the, but here we will see that where we have to use the actually. So with the name of the ocean, with the name of the rivers, with the name of the valleys, name of the desert, name of the mountains, and name of the points on globe, right? Like the north and south pole, these are the points on globe. So we have to use the here. Here we have used the Pacific Oceans. It is the name of the ocean. River, the Amazon River, the Yamuna, the Ganga, the San Francisco Valley, right? The Great Valley, the Sahara Desert, the Swiss Alps, Rocky Mountain, the North and South Pole on equator. So these are on the globe. So that is why the is used. Like we say, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Tropic of Cancer, right? So with it we use the. So we discussed where we are not supposed to use the, and here we have discussed where we are supposed to use the. And again, do not use the with the following places. Like usually we do, I am going to the home. Which home? है ना? So the home is general. So we cannot use the here. She is at work. Work is general. So we cannot use. He is in jail. If we are here specifying a particular jail, then we will use the. Otherwise, we should not use the. If we are specifying some particular work, then the is used. Otherwise, not. I am going to home. Then no. We cannot use the here. Church, bed, high school, colleges. These are journal. We are not, the specific high school is not. We are not talking about a particular bed. We are not talking about a particular journal, a church. We are not talking about a particular college. If we are not talking about the particular college, they all are journal. They all are journal, right? So if they are journal, so we cannot use the here, right? We don't use the here. So they all are journal, right? So next, use the with the following places. Like I went to the bank, to the movie. Like he gets home from the office, the hospital, the post office. Here are certain specific words with which we use the. Okay. So next is we have to use the in these places also, like the airport, the railway station, the bus stop, the doctor. I'm visiting to the doctor. I'm visiting to the dentist. So why we are saying this? Because in all these above cases, the doctor, the dentist, they are short for the doctor's office, right? And the dentist office. Like is here also the airport is a place where the planes are there. Alright, the train station. This is again we are talking about the station of a train. है ना? So that is why we have used the. So this is how it becomes specific, and that is why the is used. So here are certain questions, practice question. You can have a practice on this exercise and do it yourself. And this is the exercise. It is available in my video, and the responses are also. Six questions are here, and more six questions are here. 12 questions are here, and the answers are available here. So first you do it yourself, and then you can check the answers with the help of the answer key. I hope you have understood how we can avoid committing errors related to article the. In the next class, we will be taking the next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.